Hey, fourth grade mathers. Okay, here we go on a new lesson, a completely new concept, okay? Listen carefully. We are on page 137 and 138. Completely new lesson and concept, okay? However, it's very easy to mesclar this concept with a different one, so I need you to focus in and I need you to see the differences between the concept I'm going to teach you today and the concept you already know, okay? Look at page 137. You see the boxes? That cuadro right there looks like factores, right? Our factors. So let's review our factors and then I'm going to teach you how to do the new thing. The new thing is called multiples. Everyone say multiples. Multiples, okay. Look, factors, you guys, are the numbers that you multiply together to get a number, okay? Remember that? The factores are the numbers that you multiply to get one number. So, remember here for 4. What are my factors of 4, Fernanda? 1, 4, 2 times 2, right? 1 times 4, 2 times 2. There's no more. What are my factors of 6, Sama? 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Good. Okay, what are my factors of 8, Keanu? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Okay, great job. Those are my factors, okay? Then we would say our common factors are what? 1, oops, sorry, I forgot what I was doing. What are my common factors? 1, give me another one, Scarlett. 2, and that's it because only 1 and 2 are common for all of them, right? Okay, so what's my greatest common factor, Jayla? 2. Okay, that is factors. Now listen to what multiples are, okay? Multiples. Multiples are bigger numbers than the number that you start with, where you multiply them together. Okay, so for example, 4. A multiple is the product of the number multiplied by a whole number. Okay, so look, 4, what are my multiples of 4? Well, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Those are your multiples, okay? Those are your multiples. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5. There are a número infinito of multiples, okay? Look about 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. Those are your multiples, okay? Let's say that we have these as our multiples. What are my common multiples? What are my multiples in común? Not 4, not 8, not 12. There we go. 12 is a common multiple. Do you see any more? I don't see any more. Okay, so when you go over here, they're going to ask you for something called the LCM, the least common multiple. Antes, you were looking for the greatest common factor. That's your más grande. But here you're looking for the más pequeño. This is the más pequeño because it's the only one, okay? 12. Right there, 12. Okay, so factores are the numbers that you multiply together to get a number. Your multiples are your numbers times more numbers to get bigger numbers, okay? So, let's do our lesson for today. Look at number 1. List the first 5 multiples of each number. Okay, that'll be easy. Look at number 5. There's number 5. Letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we go. What are my first 5 multiples of 5? Well, let's do it. Let's do it with who? Who's going to help me today? Kiara. 5 times 1? 5. 5 times 2? 10. 5 times 3? 15. 5 times 4? 20. 5 times 5? 25. Boom, shakalaka. Let's do another one together, and then I'm going to let you do them by yourself. 3. Sama, do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. Go ahead and do letter C by yourself, and then I'm going to let Holly help me with it on the board. Go for it. Okay, ready, Holly? Here we go. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35. Excellent job. Okay, now look at your box on number 2. Look at your box on number 2. They do the first one for you, so let's look at the example. Put your finger on 9 and 12. Your factorials of 9 are what? And they're going to show you how many factorials to write down, okay? So you have 9 times 1 is 9. Repeat it after me. So you learn your factores. Your multiples. They're going to tell you how many multiples you need. But say it with me. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. Go down to 12. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 8, 96. What are my two common multiples? It says right here, 36 and 72. So what's my least common multiple, the smallest one? 36, okay? 36, so here we go. Let's do the 3 together. Let's do the 3 together, and then I'm going to let you do the 5 by yourself, but I'm just going to dictate it, okay? Here we go. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5, Sama? 15. 3 times 6, Kiana? 18. 3 times 7, Kiana? 21. 3 times 8, Fernanda? 24. Okay. Look at number 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, Scarlett? 20. 4 times 7, Keanu? No, 4 times 6, pardon, Keanu. 24. 4 times 7, Kiana? 28. So my my common multiples are 12. Okay, what's the only other one that they have in common? Holly? 24. Very, very good. So what's my least common multiple? What's the smallest one? Jayla? 12. Okay, go ahead and do number 5 and 8 by yourself, and I'm going to put it up on the board. We're going to check it. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Tell them to me. Just list them all off, Selma. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 21, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, 40. Okay, here. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, Keanu, do this one for me. 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 40. 8 times 6, 48. What is my only common multiple, Scarlett? 40 is my only common multiple. So what's my least common multiple, Fernanda? 40. Okay, there you go. And that's your lesson for today. Okay, look at number 3 on page 138. Letter A, I'm just going to remind you how to do this, okay? We'll do A and B. Okay, you're looking for the number up here. Remember what we do. 4 times what equals 8, Keanu? 2. So 3 times 2 equals what, Keanu? 6. And there's your answer. Okay? Do this one by yourself, you guys, and then we're going to see if you understand it. Okay, ready? 9 times 2 equals what, Scarlett? 9 times what equals 18, Scarlett? 2. So what do we multiply up here? 2. And what's your answer right here? 12. Okay, that's how you do those. Those are right the missing terms. Okay, number 4, I'll keep checking your division, see how you're doing on that. Number 5, I want to see you do that. Number 6. Number 6. This is factors. Look at your instructions. So remember, this is this one. Factors. 1 times 4 and 2 times 2, right? Okay, not your multiples. This is your old concept, so make sure that you understand that, okay? Okay, the rest of it you guys can do by yourself. I want to see you work hard, and then I'm going to help you if you need anything. Bye.